Alright, y'all, so currently I am in the process of finishing this project, getting this thing wrapped up, and getting ready to put it on the Etsy shop. Yeah. It is the Charmander with the Cubone mask. Currently I'm on the tail portion. I'm about to get this part finished up. And then we'll be going on to other things. Alright, so I've officially finished the project, and now it can go on the wall, and I'm pretty excited about it. The thing that's great is whenever you know, the wall, obviously it changes, because when you guys purchase the projects, you know, I have to rearrange things and put new things on the wall, so that's always a good problem to have. So yeah, so this one's gonna go. Finally sold. Thank you to Tiffany V for buying that. So we'll ship that out today. All right, so it's ready. It's ready to go on the wall. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna go right here. Alright, so this project took about a week and a half. I could have finished it in about 4 days with a little bit, you know, touch up on it. It's got 2,059 beads. It's a bit bigger than the Pikachu with the Cubone mask. When I first started this, I had somebody had asked if I would do a Pikachu and a Charmander, and I went ahead and started putting together some patterns. And I came across a Charmander with a Cubone mask, so I started designing one. And then I thought to myself, what would happen if I made another and did a Pikachu, and it just turned into just Pokemon with a Cubone mask. Uploaded it to Instagram, and the quote on it was, "Your favorite Pokemon's favorite Pokemon," which is kind of a reference to MF Doom. For those who are familiar with MF Doom, he's a rapper that wears a mask, and it's everybody's favorite rapper. So every rapper's favorite rapper. So I kind of thought of the same thing with Cubone, since he's a well-known Pokemon that everybody's kind of forgotten about. I think this was a pretty good, I guess, a nudge at that. So it's your Pokemon's favorite Pokemon, which is pretty funny. But like I said, I enjoyed this project. It was really fun. I think it turned out all right. It turned out pretty good. I'm glad it's done. Could make some more Pokemon with a Cubone mask. I don't know. I might do some more on that. But like I said, they're finished now. They are on the wall. There's like I said, the Charmander with 2,059 beads, and then the Pikachu with the Cubone mask is 1,759 beads. So I'm pretty, like I said, I'm pretty proud of them. Pretty excited about them. So, oh, what's next? So in the meantime, I've got more projects that I'm going to work on. I'm in the middle of some, and then continuing making some more tutorials and other content for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will check you all next time. Peace.